Hearty welcome, dear Gryffindors. Unlike your past long years of education, where you had been sitting together with your friends in the classroom and learning directly from the faculty members, this year, or at least in the beginning of this semester, you will be sitting in different and faraway places and learning directly or indirectly from the faculty members. You may be quite unhappy with the present system of learning because you are going to lose the physical presence of your colleagues, faculty members, beautiful campus, and all the beauties of campus life too. But as we see in the slide, mindset is what separates the best from the rest. If you have a different mindset adaptive to the new system of learning, you will make wonderful things ahead. So, I request all of you, even though we have many unseen difficulties ahead, to have a mindset which is adaptive to the new system of learning. Let me come to the course that we are engaging in this semester. It is PMS 1920 Cultural Tourism Resources in India. You can see its credit and weight from the slide. Now we can see the expected course outcomes. After the completion of the course, the students should be able to explain the meaning and significance of the concept aesthetics. Students should be able to narrate on Indian classical art forms and be able to explain it to the tourist. We need to develop the skill of exploring and identifying potential cultural tourism resources in India, and we need to be ambassadors of it. We should also develop the skill to assist local people to use their cultural resources in tourism market so as to lift their quality of living. Now we can see the course modules. It is nature of Indian aesthetics, Indian classical dance, Indian classical music, Indian painting, folklore and folk arts. You may be wondering whether I will be teaching you classical dance, classical music and so on. We will be seeking the help of experts from the field, and they will be giving you an experiential learning in all these aspects. We hope that by the end of August, you will be all back to the campus and we can have the experiential learning on all these things. Now we can see the four major areas in this course. It is Indian classical dance forms, Indian music, Indian painting and Indian folklore. You need to choose one of these areas according to your taste and preference. So, since we are 25 students, in the first three groups, there will be 6 members, and in the fourth group, there will be 7 members. Let us now see how we do the internal assessment. The first one is group activity, which is known as GA, which will be evaluated by your own friends. Once the group is formed, as mentioned in the previous slide, that group has to do 3 things. They need to share information through chart, PowerPoint presentation or videos, which is a group activity. Then they need to present it. Even though it's a group presentation, individual students will be evaluated based on the rubrics given. And the third one is conduct an event on the topic. It can be exhibition, webinar, cultural show, musical concert, competitions, etc. Now we can see the second criteria of internal assessment, which is business promotion, known as BP, which will be evaluated by the faculty member. This is to develop our commitment towards society by extending a helping hand to promote their business. Here you can identify a local cultural product, and we need to employ different marketing strategies, online or offline, digital or other means of marketing, so as to promote their business. So what will be evaluated is the process of your marketing strategies and the increase in the number of units or customers as part of your involvement. The third and the final criteria of internal assessment is research activity, RA, which will be evaluated by a panel of faculty members. Here, we need to do research and find solutions on the issues in cultural tourism for a better tourism experience. But unlike previous researches where you were submitting it towards the final semester, this research activity should begin from the very beginning of the semester itself. And the target here is to publish your research findings in leading periodicals or research journals. Now we can see the timeline of our activities. It's not only a matter of learning alone, it's a matter of learning with celebrations. Once you complete the targets, that is business promotion and research activity, we will have a barbecue evening and a special tour for you. Once all of your articles are published in leading periodicals and journals, there will be a special tour for your batch. Yes, I know that this will be the exact symbol of your feelings now. You have so many doubts whether these things will happen, whether it will be possible. All those things are there. So please go through the slides. If you have any doubts, let us discuss it, clarify it, and finalize it on 24th Wednesday, 8:30 a.m. Wish you all the best. Thank you.